Welcome to San Sebastian College-Recoletos, Manila, where excellence in nursing education comes alive. Step into our state-of-the-art nursing simulation laboratory, one of the largest and most advanced in the country today. Here, you will experience the adrenaline and urgency of saving lives, mastering the skills needed for high-pressure situations. Practice, precision, and compassion. These are the hallmarks of a Sebastinian nurse. Here, passion meets innovation, and every moment is a step closer to your future as a globally competent nurse. Learn the delicate art of maternal and newborn care, supported by instructors who have walked the path before you. Join your peers for collaborative learning, interactive lectures, preparing you for the global stage. At San Sebastian College-Recoletos, Manila, we are committed to transformative education. Our mission is to produce globally competent graduates, Sebastinian nurses who are ready to serve, lead, and excel anywhere in the world.